Hey guys, Subaru Impreza 2007. So I got called out to this vehicle by this workshop, and this vehicle has had a few mass airflow sensors replaced, but still no luck with the repair. So I already know the problem with this vehicle, but I'm just recording this to go through the procedure and how I went to fix it. So this vehicle's got fault code P0102, mass airflow circuit low. Don't worry about the bottom one. I caused that fault code to come up by disconnecting the mass airflow sensor because it's got a intake air temperature sensor in it as well. Alright, so if we start the car, it's got a very high rev, and on the live data that's the mass airflow grams per second. Obviously that's way too low, it's not realistic. If I rev the vehicle, it's very unresponsive and this does not move. Let's have a look under the bonnet. So now if we look here, this seems to be the wire, the signal wire for the temperature, and that's the temperature ground, 0. That's a positive, battery positive, and that's battery negative, and then this must be the mass airflow signal, and it's giving 0 volts, which is wrong. It's supposed to give at least 0.5 volts. So in short, this is what the wires we've got here. This is what they are labeled as. Temperature signal, temperature negative. So positive coming from the fuse box, negative, and then MAF signal. So the first thing I did was I told him that most likely we've got a faulty mass airflow sensor. So I went ahead and got a replacement mass airflow sensor from the same place that he got this mass airflow sensor from. So they gave me a replacement, and this is what the wire colors look like. So that's completely different to the mass airflow sensor wires that we've got here. So this tells us something. So after doing a little bit of research online, and I read these color codes, what they stand for, and I found out that this is what it's supposed to be. So completely different from what we've got here. And I came to know that this vehicle was an accident vehicle. As you can see, there are pieces of plastic here, so it's been repaired, obviously, which I haven't been told. But yeah, let's switch these wires around to put them in this order and then see how that goes. So this is what it looks like after deepening those pins and putting them in the right place. And this is what the live data looks like now. It's a lot better. Definitely working. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.